Tell me one more time.
Alright. When you drop an artwork in here, all I want you to do is center it and put it where you want it. That's all you're going to do in the rip.
Drop it 2 finger.
It's usually 2 inches down. It's usually your 3 fingers. Alright?
I drag it up and stick it right in the corner.
Yeah.
Here. And then I drag it down.
What you're going to do is you're going to bring it up here. As if you want a full size. You bring it all the way to the 0, 0. You're going to stretch it to 12. Alright, then you bring it down your 2 inches. And then you just come over here and hit the center horizontally. Alright? Now, that's it. That's all I want you to do with artwork. Anything else you want to do with artwork, you're going to do it in Corel. Corel is a graphics program. You're going to use it for graphics. This is a printing software. You're going to use it to print. Alright?
But I can design stuff in Corel and bring it over to you.
Yes. The next thing right here is going to be your color settings. Now, once we change this, you won't have to change it again. The rip will hold it for you.
Like from here on out, or once I turn the machine off, I have to come back in?
Nope. It'll hold it from here on out until you reinstall the rip. So, where is this guy?
Reinstall the rip for what reason?
Say we have an update or it crashes or something. Alright. We're going to go with color match right now for our RGB source, and our CMYK is going to be swap. Alright? Everything else is going to stay the same.
Okay.
Alright, we're not laying down any white ink, so the white ink control button right here, we're just going to skip it and go straight to the printer and print area.
Okay.
Alright? You're printing on a K3, going to be output Q1. Alright? 13 by 22 platinum. Alright? That's all you have to have. As long as those 3 settings are there, the machine's happy. Now we're going to go to print setting. Alright? It's also very simple. Your media, pretty much saying what am I printing on. Alright? In my world of t-shirts, there's only 2 settings. You either have white cotton or you have black cotton. Meaning you're either printing white ink or you're not printing white ink. Alright? So, we're not printing white ink, so we're going to go to white cotton. Now, this is some debate over this. I have customers that swear by 1440 by 720. I have other ones that swear by 1440 by 1440. This puts down 25% more ink than this. That's the only difference. This is something you're just going to have to choose between these two.
The 14720 and the 1440 by 1440 puts down 25% more ink?
Than the 1440 by 720.
And it's just a matter of playing with it to figure out
which one you like.
And it could be, I could actually change from just image to image.
Yes. Right now we're just going to go, we'll go 1440 by 1440. Alright? Now, print density, white ink layer. Are we printing white ink? No, so we leave that alone. This does not matter what we put it to. The rip doesn't even see it.
Okay.
Alright? We're only going to do 1 color pass. Now, the other important thing on the rip is this guy right here. It's the print direction. Alright?
Okay.
Unidirectional gives you detail. Bidirectional gives you speed. Okay? That's going to be strictly up to you on how you use it. Alright? For training, I like bidirectional just because it gives you speed. We press OK.
Do you lose quality when you do that?
Yes, you do.
Okay.
And the rip will just process it. As soon as it's done processing, it'll send it to the printer and it'll start printing.
Really? That's simple?
Yeah, it's nothing to it. The hardest part is Corel. If you have Corel down, it's a piece of cake.
Corel's still a work in progress. I'm still finding out things it'll do. You know? Okay, I'm gonna